save money, increase productivity, and always have a full set of sharp, high-quality knives for everyone in your kitchen, 24/7. It all starts with a Mundial SmartKnives membership. To become a member, simply sign up online. Once you've made your selections, Mundial sends the knives to your door, along with this easy-to-use professional knife sharpener. Now let me show you how this groundbreaking system works. Hidden inside the handle of the knife is a chip with innovative technology that is programmed to work with the knife sharpener. You just place the knife in the sharpener and it automatically sharpens to the manufacturer's recommended settings. It's so simple. Just press the button and quickly get a perfectly sharpened knife. It's that simple. The Smart Sharpener is equipped with Wi-Fi. It tracks each knife and provides key analytics, including who used the knife, when the knife was used, how often it was used, and when it is time to replace a knife. There, this one's ready to go. Perfect. Mundial SmartKnives sends sharpening detailed reports directly to your computer, so you always have the latest information. This knowledge is key in managing the productivity of your kitchen. Come on, join the kitchen revolution.